Welcome to Late Night Snacks, the show where I take my guests' favorite late night snacks and turn them into gourmet little treats. I am Chef Donkey, and tonight we are making a spicy little bite with the cheeky chappy, Kieran Lyle!
Thank you for having me, mate. Absolute legend.
Come on! Kieran, so normally you love a curry.
Yeah.
You love a curry. So we're gonna make little bites of onion bhajis.
Nice.
So with that onion, pick up your little green knife. We're gonna cut them just like that.
Okay.
So what we end up with is these little things like that. How did you feel about since you left the show?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, mate. I was buzzing after the show.
Is it?
Yeah. I really thought going on that show, it just brought my personality out. Like, I felt like I lost my spark a little bit before we went on it. You know, you get so stagnant in your day-to-day job, don't you?
Yeah, I know, bro.
So I've been doing carpentry 12, 13 years, and it was just sort of come and repeat like Monday to Friday, live the weekends.
Yeah.
I just fancied the change. Lucky to get on it, and just the people I met.
And I guess the 99 to beat would have been a perfect time for you to just hang out, chill, let loose a bit.
Let loose. I'm just glad to have my energy back, mate.
Yes.
What was
three
actually
pinches, quite heavy on the salt, mate.
quite heavy.
Yeah.
And then we put
Yeah, that's going in there. Sorry, mate. Got some yogurt there, which will make the onions a bit more tender. So in here, go with a cup of just self-raising flour.
Give that a little shake.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
enough.
happy. And in here, I've got some spices, garam masala, cinnamon, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder. It's gonna season all of this flour, and we're gonna toss the onion slices that we made in that to season them and make them delicious. Kia, what do you do for like daily basis as a job?
So I'm a carpenter by trade.
Carpenter.
Good with my hands. Can't you see?
Good at measuring things.
Well, yeah, I don't know. We won't talk about that. That didn't go too well on the show.
We've still got Kieran the carpenter.
Do you think this is a little bit awkward? I mean, he's the only guy that's qualified for this game, and he's still in it.
Did not. Kieran is one of three. He's a triplet. He's on you.
One of three, yeah.
How did they feel when you said you're going to 1990? Because you said it's the one thing that it was just you.
Yes. I think one of my brothers said, you should have asked me, I would have done it with you, but I think it was just one of them things I just sort of wanted to do by myself just to see what I was like as a person, going in there solo.
What are we making again?
Onion Bhajis.
Onion bhaji fry.
Onion Bhaji fry.
We want to make a raita as well, which is basically a cucumber and mint in yogurt dip. So you're gonna get on this cucumber.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop some mint over here. So what was your favorite moment in the show?
I think, to be honest, it was just meeting everyone, to be honest. Being at the Hilton Hotel and being, you know, in the back room where you're sort of getting to know everyone, like, interact with everyone.
Yeah. Kieran, can you take some of that?
Yeah.
Just the left hand in there, and
hand
I'll let him do all the dirty work. These have been marinated, now they're drenched in their dry dredge, and then we're just gonna carefully lay them few at a time away. Can you see this, Kieran, what I'm doing here?
Yeah.
Have a look over here.
Put them
Just
in.
carefully